Alright, I have here a 2016 Lexus ES350. Customer complaint is there's a parking system malfunction. Right when I saw the car, all the keys. Alright, battery's probably dead in the key. Right when I saw the car, so it shows there's no parking sensors. I thought for sure the issue was that there's no mirror over there, and those mirrors, but I think that might just be blind spot and not parking sensors. And we have a parking assist malfunction, so it shows that we got no sensors at all. They told me that they think it needs to be calibrated, but that does not look like a calibration to me. So let's do a scan, see what we got. Yeah, let's make a report. Alright, so most of it's clear, but we have in the passenger door motor code and telematics system and the parking assist system. Okay, so in the parking assist system we have rear left center sensor. Now, would that cause all of them not to work? I don't know. Let's go in there. Where is this? Let's just select all. Alright, so front right center sensor is undetected. They all say undetected. Rear left center sensor is open. Center sensor, so this is the left, so it's this guy right here. It actually feels loose, so gotta get in there easily without pulling this whole thing apart. Alright, so it's taped in, that sensor. Oh, they're all taped in. Alright, well, alright, the easiest way to test these is let's just swap it with a different one. This is a disaster, they're all just taped in here. Alright, I'm swapping it with this guy. Now, it should get undetected if the sensor is bad. Alright, it's still at open. Let's just unplug this one and see if it changes. It's not changing. Alright, I got this bumper off. And pretty much they're all taped in. But looking at this one, this is the one that has the open code. And I do see that these look pretty pushed out. See how this is flush? They're all flush besides this. So I wonder if we're just not making contact here. Even though it does look like they're in all the way. You know, so it's just the actual, maybe someone played around with it. But it doesn't seem like it's our issue because the wire is definitely going all the way to there. Look at that. Is that not making contact? Someone squished this on. That is amazing. It's not making contact. Look at that. It's just squished onto rubber. but this part is not making contact with the metal. That is the craziest job I've ever seen. Someone crimped it onto the plastic. Alright, I'm gonna solder this right here and then see if we get anywhere. That should make contact. Let's see if this fits in. How does that close in? Which way? Like that. Alright, let's check the other side. Okay, this is that side's actually, it looks sloppier, but at least it's making contact because there's no insulation on it. You can't really sell a car like this with all the sensors just taped in. I mean, come on. You hit a bump, it falls out. They're probably not going to do anything about it, but my job is just to tell them about it. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's put the sensor back in. See if we get any change. Let me get my scan tool. So I still gotta open. Alright, let's clear the code. Read fault codes. Okay, same code. I wonder if the wires are backwards. Alright, it's rear left, center sensor. Open. Okay, let me try swapping the wires around. Alright, so I just swapped the wires around and plugged it in, and now I get undetected. So the wires were backwards and it was probably crimp bad also. Alright, but now we should have all undetected. Okay, let's start the car up. Yeah, it looks like we're good. See? There's no lights on besides the trunk open. Let's go back to read fault codes. Yep, just a history code. We're good. So there you go. See? Right there, the sensors are flashing. Only because I have a bunch of things under the car. But that's all it was. It was a backwards wire. Alright, thanks for watching.